guys, welcome to my channel. And for those of you who are here for the first time, thank you for joining me, and I hope that you can enjoy this little tidbit of a video that I'm about to do for you today. And I really would appreciate your feedback, and also share your recipes with me or tell me the ingredients that you use. Today I'm going to be making a green smoothie. So since I like my smoothies more on the sweet side, I'm going to use a little bit more of the fruit than the vegetable. I'm not going to use any sugar. The sweetness is going to come from the fruit. So let's get started. Here I have some cubed pineapples, and I actually had it in the freezer because I'm trying to do something different. I usually put ice, but I froze all of my fruit in the freezer. I'm also going to use some green apples, spinach, a handful of spinach, a handful of cucumbers, and I'm going to add some ginger, a slice of lime, and for my liquid, I'm going to use some coconut water, and to give it that milky thickness that I like, I'm going to use what's called the coconut beverage. It's like the coconut milk. I'm going to add some flaxseed meal, which is really good fiber, really good fiber. I'm also going to add some collagen. The collagen that I'm going to use is really good for skin elasticity. It's really good for your skin, nails, and your hair. It's really good to use, and I'm sure a lot of people, you guys seen this a lot lately. And it's in a powder form. And you can add this to your coffee, to your tea. I'm also going to use matcha, which is a tea, a matcha tea, a powdered green tea. And I actually got this container from Amazon for a really nice price. You can't beat it, because for this one, you get a large container. It's 16 ounces. You can't beat it. 16 ounces, and it lasts you for the whole year, depending on how much of it you use. And my favorite, Mct Oil. This is really great to enhance your energy. It's also good for the skin. It's also good for weight loss. So this Mct Oil, I also add this to my coffee or my tea, along with my collagen powder in the morning. So there we go. Let's get started. What I like about the Cuisine Art to Go, you can take it off the blender, voila, and you're done. It's complete. It's easy for travel. Very delicious. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe below. Thank you for watching.